If you are a bowl and brush person, I get a lot of flack for my applicator bottle application, but there's a reason for it. It's quicker to apply. I get a touch up on in 8 minutes versus 20 minutes when I do bowl and brush. There is a lot of space between the bowl and the head. So more of my color is on my clothes, on the floor, on the client. The applicator bottle, I literally can lay that bead, that little tiny hole of the applicator bottle, I can lay right exactly where I want it on a blonde, and there is zero overlap. When you use the bowl and brush, you're dipping your brush in the color, and when you do the retouch, you do this. You're pulling the color down further than it needs to be onto previously colored hair is here. You're overlapping onto the previous color. Then this blonde hair can sit in that smudgy color, and do you ever get spots on your blonde where you're like, where the heck did that come from? From you. You didn't protect that blonde, and it laid on top of that fresh retouch.